Our journey begins at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Here, the pipes start off as high-quality PVC raw material. This material is automatically sucked up by an industrial mixer, heated and shipped to the production machinery with minimal wastage. The melted material flows out onto the dais and is inserted into a water tank for cooling. After the material has been cooled, the automated printing process of each conduit begins. The finished conduit is now ready for coupling and socketing. From here on, the conduit is heated, punched and socketed. To ensure quality, each pipe goes through a rigorous bending test to check for signs of cracks, a compression test, impact test and collapse test to check the sturdiness and flexibility of the pipe. The final product is a lightweight, maintenance-free, corrosion and chemical-resistant product ready for packaging. Pressfit, a bond for life.